guys, Jasenia here with the Wedding Mini Album. This book I made it using one of Rosa Kelly's tutorials. She is here on Facebook, and I want to say it's a 8 by 8, and it has maybe a 2.5 or 3 inch spine. These flowers, these gold ones and these white ones, I bought from Hobby Lobby. I had these little rhinestones in my stash. I had these cute little flat back rhinestones or pearls in my stash as well. This green leaf and the stem of pearls also had in my stash. Whoops, and once you open it, I didn't put no magnets on it, which I should have. Flips open like this, and then it flips to the side. Look at how cute. I love the gold foil paper, the pearls. This right here, the flowers used as a tuck spot. There's a photo mat she can use as journaling. Right here I had this love in my stash. Then this one opens out this way. And I'm moving my camera or my phone. Look at this cute little spiral rhinestone sticker. This opens up. Right here is a pocket. Right here, this paper is tucked under the flowers. And this opens up this way and this way. Look at how cute. I'm super happy of how this turned out. This is a pocket right here with a large photo mat. This flap goes up and this one down. And she has a lot of space for pictures and journaling as well. And she could even use those little white photo mats for people to sign if she likes. This is for a friend. She's getting married. She had to postpone her wedding because of COVID. So this year she will be getting married. Right here I have a card that I made. I didn't write directly onto it. I wrote on a sticky note for her because she can use the card for something else. Another photo mat right here. Another pocket on the side. More pearls. Another tuck spot. This flap goes up and this one goes down. I just love the way this turned out. And then this is the back. I just love the way this turned out, and I hope she loves it as well. And I'll be sending it out to her today. Thank you all for watching.